This is the 4th grade lesson 12 worksheet. Multiplying fractions. Multiply fractions and give your answer as a fraction. So for number 1, we have 1/2 times 1/2. We're going to multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. And then after that, we're going to simplify it if possible. So 1 times 1 is just 1 over 2 times 2, which is 4. So the answer for number 1 is just 1 over 4. Number 2, we have 1 over 3 times 1/2. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 2 is 6. So the answer is 1 over 6. Number 3, 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 2 is 10. And we're going to simplify this by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 2 to get 1 over 5. Number 4, 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 3 is also 15. And we can simplify this by dividing 15 by 15, which is 1. Number 5, 4 times 1 is 4. 6 times 2 is 12. Divide both the numerator and the denominator by 4 to get 1 over 3. Number 6, we have 1 over 7 times 2 over 3. 5 times 2 is 10. 7 times 3 is 21. And we can't simplify this anymore, so the answer is going to be 10 over 21. Number 7, we have 7 over 8 times 3 over 4. 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 4 is 32. And we can't simplify this any further, so 21 over 32 will just be our answer. Number 8, we have 4 over 1 times 2 over 3. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3, so the answer is 8 over 3. Adding fractions. Add fractions and give your answer as a fraction. So, number 1, since the two numbers already have a common denominator, we're just going to add the numerators together. So, 1 plus 1 is 2, and we're just going to keep the same denominator to get 2 over 2, which is 1 when you simplify it. So the answer for number 1 is 1. Number 2, so if you're here, we're going to find a common denominator for both of them. So we're going to turn 1 over 3 into 2 over 6 and 1 over 2 into 3 over 6. 2 plus 3 is 5, and we keep the same denominator, so the answer for number 2 is 5 over 6. Number 3, same thing. We're gonna we have to have a common denominator, so we're going to turn 2 over 5 into 4 over 10 and 1 over 2 into 5 over 10. 5 plus 4 is 9, so the answer for number 3 is 9 over 10. Number 4, 3 over 5 plus 5 over 3. We have to find a common denominator. So 3 over 5, we would turn that into 9 over 15, and 5 over 3 into 25 over 15. 25 plus 9 is 34 over 15. And we're just going to keep it like this because it says to give your answer as a fraction, not a mixed number. Number 5, 4 over 6 plus 1 over 2. So we're going to turn 1 over 2 into 3 over 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. So the answer is 7 over 6. Number 6, 5 over 7 plus 2 over 3. We're going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator of 5 over 7 by 3 to get a common denominator. So 5 times 3 is 15. 7 times 3 is 21 plus, and from here we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator of 2 over 3 by 7. So 7 times 2 is 14 over 7 times 3, which is 21. 15 plus 14 is 29, so the answer is 29 over 21. Number 7, we have 7 over 8 plus 3 over 4. So we're going to have a common denominator of 16. So we would turn 7 over 8 into 14 over 16 and 3 over 4 into 12 over 16. 14 plus 12 is 26. So the answer is 26 over 16. And from here, we're going to simplify it even further. We can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So the simplified answer would be 13 over 8. Number 8, we have 4 over 1 plus 2 over 3. So again, we're going to find the common denominator. In this case, it's going to be 3. Multiply top and bottom of 4 over 1 by 3 to get 12 over 3 plus 2 over 3. 12 plus 2 is 14, so the answer is 14 over 3. Word problems. Read the problem and solve. Number 2. If Robert posts 5 Instagram stories every 7 days and Mr. Rogo posts 2 Instagram stories every 3 days, how many stories will they post in total after 1 day? Fractions are fine as an answer. So, Robert posts 5 Instagram stories every 7 days plus Mr. Rogo posts 2 Instagram stories every 3 days. So again, we have to find a common denominator of those two, which in this case is 21. So we would have to multiply the top and bottom of 5 over 7 by 3, which would get us 15 over 21, and 2 over 3 by 7 to get 14 over 21. And when we add those two together, we get 29 over 21.